Welcome to MathZip. Today we are starting Cambridge Mathematics Learners Book 9 Unit 2 Exercise 2.1 first video. But this is episode 2 of this unit. We are starting number 1 where is mentioned copy and complete the workings to find the value of each expression when x equals to 3 and y equals to 5. Let's start. We try to solve this one step by step. First, here is mentioned x minus 2y. So against x we can write 3 because already mentioned x equals to 3 and y equals to 5. So x it means 3 minus 2 times y it means 2 times 5. 3 minus 2 times 5 is a 10. Right? So 3 minus 10 it should minus 7. Okay? So first one done. Number B, x cube plus xy. X cube it means 3 cube because x equals to 3. Then plus 3 times 5. Why? Because x is a 3 and y is a 5. This is x and this is y. So 3 cube it means 27 and 3 times 5 is a 15, right? So 27 plus 15 is a 42. This is our answer. Next, y square minus 10x divide y. So we can simplify this one in here. Y square minus 10 x divide y. So y means 5, so 5 square minus a fraction where 10 times x is a numerator. It means 10 times x means 3, y means 5. Okay, so 5 square it means 25 minus 10 times 3 is a 10, 30 divide 5. Okay, so 30 divide 5 is a 6. So we can write 25 minus 6. Okay. Now 25 minus 6 is a 19 and this is our answer. So this 19 should be in here. So here is 25 and here is 25. 30 divide 5 is a 6. So 25 minus 6 is a 19. So this is very simple. These kinds of fill in the blank we can easily solve at examination hall. So number 1 done. Now number 2. This one also similar. Number 1, work out the value of each expression when a equals to minus 2, b equals to 3, c equals to minus 4 and d equals to 6. So first one, number A, b plus d. So b means 3 plus d means 6. So answer is 9. Number B, a plus 2b. A means what? Minus 2 plus 2 times b means 3. So minus 2 plus 2 times 3 is a 6. So minus 2 plus 6 it's a 4. Number C, 2d minus b. 2 times d means 6 minus then b means 3. So 2 times 6 is a 12 minus 3, answer is 9. Number D. So A, B, C done. D, 4b plus 2a. 4 times b means 3 plus 2 times a means what? Minus 2. So 4 times 3 is a 12. Here is plus and here is minus. So plus and minus once we multiply it will become minus. 2 times 2 is a 4. So 12 minus 4, 8. So number D done. Now number E, BD minus 10. B means what? B means 3 times d means 6 minus 10. So 3 times 6 is 18 minus 10, then 18 minus 10 it should 8. Number E done. Then F, d square plus AB. D means 6, then square, plus A means minus 2, and B means what? 3. We can check. A means minus 2 and B is 3. So 6 square is a 36, plus and minus minus 2 times 3 is a 6. So 36 minus 6 is a 30. Number G, D divide 2 minus A. D divide 2 minus A. D means 6 divide 2, then minus and minus 2. So 6 divide 2 is a 3. So we can write 3, minus and minus plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is a 5. So number F and G done. Now number H. H 20 plus B cube. H 20 plus B cube. So 20 plus B means 3 cube. 20 plus 3 cube means 27. So 20 plus 27 is a 47. Okay, number H done. So we can write in here number I. AB plus CD. So A means minus 2 times B means 3 plus C means minus 4 times D means 6. So minus 2 times 3 is a minus 6. Here is plus and minus, minus 4 times 6 is a what? 24. So minus 6 and minus 24 is a minus 30. Okay, so number I done, and now last question answer. We also can solve this one in here. Number Z. BC divide D plus A. So B means what? B means 3 times C means minus 4, then divide D means 6 plus A means minus 2. Now 3 times minus 4 is a minus 12. Divide 6. Here is plus and minus minus 2. Okay. Then 12 divide 6 is a 2. So minus 2. 12 divide 6 is a 2. So minus 2, and here is also minus 2. Answer is minus 4. Okay. So this video I am trying to solve number 1 and 2. Next few days I will try to solve step by step. No need any hurry, just slow and steady. So exercise 2.1 episode 2 we are trying to solve number 1 and 2. Next video, it means episode 3, we will start from number 3 of this chapter. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel if you think this channel is helping you, and also please share with your friends. Thank you.